I'm very happy about that. I think it took some balls for him to do that, especially, people have to understand that judges are under immense pressure in a run-of-the-mill case that the press and the public don't care about because depending on what state you're in, those judges are either up for election soon, or they're up for reappointment by the legislature, depending on what your structure is. And so people are always watching judges, and when they make controversial decisions, even if the controversy is whether they'll do the right thing, they can suffer blowback for that. And so in a case like Luigi Mangione's, where the eyes of the entire world are watching, I think this is going to be, if it ends up going to trial, will be the OJ of our time, in terms of how popular the trial is. So with a trial that popular, a case that popular, with everybody watching and everybody just, paying close attention to detail, first of all, want to just pat myself on the back here for a second because I said that those terrorism charges were horseshit from the beginning, and that there was no legal basis for them. And as it turns out, I got validated by the judge. So I'm very happy about that. But for him to do the thing that all of us who looked at it said, he's right, took a lot of courage. And people say, well, why did it take courage to do the right thing? Well, because judges are under pressure, and oftentimes doing the easy thing or keeping a low profile or doing the less controversial thing, don't ruffle feathers, ends up happening, which isn't justice. It's not right. And it's very easy for judges to push stuff like that off and say, well, we'll just let the jury sort it out. Juries are smart. They'll do the right thing. The problem with that is that you're putting too much on the jury when you, the judge, should be the gatekeeper of what ends up getting in front of that jury in the first place. So props to him for doing the not just the hard thing, the really freaking hard thing. Super impressive. Loved it.